All right, plug it in. Huh? Hello.
Unbelievable.
President Hagelmeyer, have you come to meet my new roommate, VAC 6000?
Sheldon, you can't have a mainframe in your dorm.
Actually, there's no rule against it. I can't have a candle, a microwave, a hot plate, a coffee maker, a toaster, or a waterbed, but there's nothing against a mainframe.
Well, I'm the president of the university, and I'm telling you, you can't.
You're just trying to sabotage our project because you know we're gonna beat you to market. Sheldon, plug it in.
There really should be a